A lot of tiny needles going into Amy Killstrom's body couldn't be more relaxing.
You lay here with these needles in and you take this amazing nap. It's wonderful.
Back pain led her to acupuncturist Anita Tadavarthi. Relief keeps her coming back.
We decided to go ahead and start working on this hormonal balance, and it's such a wonderful, holistic way for me to take care of myself.
I actually am an ex-Wall Streeter, and I was supposed to get my MBA, and I thought to myself, what do I really want to do? I want to help people, and I also want to own my own business.
Tadavarthi has treated thousands of patients and says the number one question is always, does it hurt?
If you can handle tweezing, you can certainly handle the acupuncture.
The way Anita knows where to put the needle is she's memorized a map of the body, and where she puts the needle then sends endorphins to the spot that needs healing.
Keep in mind, it is a therapy. It's not meant to be a magic bullet. It's gentle but effective.
Tadavarthi says it can take 7 to 9 treatments to completely feel better.
Research has shown that if you regulate endorphins, you can also help with anxiety and stress.
And those two issues are often the root of many problems.
I've seen thousands of patients get out of pain, and I also have seen surgeries canceled. I've also seen patients who've been struggling with fertility get pregnant.
A set of needles that can provide a sense of relief when other therapies or medications aren't working.
Sometimes medications are important and we need them, but I didn't want to rely on them for sleep or pain, and this takes care of it.
In Springfield, Juliana Valencia, News 4.